In this video, we'll be showing you how to install a rear audio cap to an existing Ranger roof audio system. Welcome back, guys. I'm Eric, and today we'll be installing the rear cap on an existing Polaris Ranger Northstar Edition. Now, some of the features may be different on your model, but the 2-passenger and 4-passenger installation methods are nearly identical. Now we'll get started by disconnecting the power from our battery using a 13mm socket. Now we're ready to remove the unloaded rear cap. To get started, begin removing the registration screws holding your rear cap in place using the provided 6mm Allen wrench. Next, we'll loosen the standoffs on the left and right side of the roof using a T40 Torx and 13mm socket. This may require 2 people. Now once that's done, remove the 4 13mm nuts holding the back brackets on that secure the rear cap. Now you're ready to remove the rear cap by lifting up on the unit and pulling it out. Okay, now we're ready to install the new rear audio cap. This will require 2 people for the installation. Before you position the rear audio cap into place, make your wiring connections. Now on a 2-seat Ranger, your connections are located on the back end of the vehicle on the driver's side. 4-seat Rangers, your connections are located on the back corner of the vehicle on the driver's side. Once you make your connections, you'll need to have one person hold the cap in place while the other aligns the rear brackets. Position the short lip of the bracket up and loosely secure the 4 nuts using a 13mm socket. Now once that's done, you can align your registration screws and retighten everything down. All right, now you're ready to make your battery connections. Attach the positive and negative cables to the battery. Now red connects to positive and black to negative. Now we're ready to test our new Ranger audio cap. On the overhead roof, toggle the main power, accent lights, and rear audio switches on to make sure the rear speakers are working properly. You can also toggle the backup camera switch on to verify the image appears on the PMX source unit. Now please note to switch the power off when completing your trail runs. Leaving the main power switch on can drain your battery. As you can see, that installation was pretty straightforward, right? If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our technical support at 1-800-669-9899 or through live chat at the bottom of our website at rockfordfosgate.com. And we'll see you in the next video.